rose for me.
Ooh.
Now, Ryan, say thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Oh.
I won't play hide.
What is that, Ryan?
It's a race to play with me.
It's called Race Aces. I think there was one more box over on the
Amy,
table.
you didn't give him the last gift.
On the table, Amy, by the
Table
cake.
here.
Oh. Can I open it up?
But come back over here.
I can play this.
When Daddy comes home, he'll fix it for you.
I'm going to make a... What is it? Let's see.
Well, he just thought he had a good birthday.
It's a mousetrap.
Oh. Is that
Now
for
that will have directions.
Is that for 3-year-olds?
Oh, it's 6 plus.
Okay, Ryan, what age can play that game?
Let him figure it out, Amy.
Don't tell him. Is that for 3-year-olds?
That was a mousetrap. Okay, now look at the back. Is this
How old do you have to be, Ryan?
How old do you have? No, right here. How old do you have? 6.
Oh, yeah.
I'm 6. I'm 6.
Well, you can play that game.
I'm 6. I can play it too.
Are you taller today, Ryan?
No. I'm 6.
That meant something to him, didn't it? Having it 6.
Ryan, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.